Okay, everybody, it's Rags again. It is 1:36 in the morning, um, September 15th, Wednesday. Um, so far, no news, other than sometime about 8:30, he said he was, looking at the entries. See if I can find it here. Yep, about 8:30 or so, he said he was looking through the background entries. Other than that, not so much as a peep. So, um, yeah, I guess tomorrow I'll just have to wait. I hate waiting. But, yeah. So, until then, you know, Big Time Rush, go, pre-order, CD, because they're cool. Other than that, that's all. Night.